Hey guys, welcome to Palaticious. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare eggless cupcake. For this, the ingredients required are 1 cup milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm using 100% cocoa powder, and half teaspoon of espresso powder to enhance the chocolate flavor. This will make up to 6 to 7 cupcakes. First, we'll keep our baking tray ready. I have greased with butter and dusted it with cocoa powder and all-purpose flour. It's equal amount of mixture. Let's start with the preparation. First, we'll filter out all-purpose flour, our cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder and espresso powder. Make sure that there is no lumps in our dry ingredients. Now we'll add sugar and other wet ingredients. Oil. This will give softness to the cupcake. We'll preheat our oven to 375 Fahrenheit and then mix our last ingredient. We'll add milk part by part. Do not overmix it. If you overmix it, the cupcakes turns out to be dense. We'll add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. Give it a stir. This should be the consistency of the mixture. Now we'll fill our baking tray. We'll fill up to 3/4 of the mold. Our oven is ready, and now we'll bake it for 15 minutes. This is how it looks once it's out from the oven. It's nice, fluffy. We'll cut and check the softness of it. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and do try and let me know in the comment section below.